This is day 24 check-in, but before we start, let me be clear. This video is not about code, not about tools, and not about tech egos. This video is about how one wrong conversation with the wrong person can shake your confidence, mess with your emotions, and almost derail your consistency if you're not careful. So, hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Shivansh, and I'm building my web development agency from scratch in 365 days. I'm documenting this entire journey every single day. I share my real experiences with cold calling, sales, and clients without any filters, so you can learn from my mistakes. And before we jump in, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who's on the same journey, and also do tell me what do you think about this video because I'm really interested to know. Also, this video will be my check-in for both day 24 and day 25. I had to skip one day between day 23 and 24. So like I uploaded day 23 the day before yesterday and uploading day 24 and day 25 in the same video today. If you have not watched that video, you can click on this I button now or later to watch that one as well. And why did this break happen? Well, two reasons. One is I was not doing well in terms of health, and the second reason is what we will be discussing in this video. And trust me, this second reason is something every agency owner will face sooner or later. So, without any further bullshit, let's skip to the main part. And the reason is I was won over by my own emotions. Uh, I know business and emotions do not do well in a single statement, but this is what really happened. In the previous check-in episode, I told how this client that I'm working with right now claimed my UI designs for templates, but yesterday this went in just completely in another direction. This is where things started getting ugly. I had given the POC from their side the updated design. By the way, POC means point of contact. If someone new in this field is watching my video, then yesterday this POC called me and he made me talk to a third person. Let's call him person X for our reference because I don't want to take names. And the moment that call started, I knew something was kind of off. Uh, what happened actually is I was coding in Next.js and somehow I thought that directly writing the code for UI and skipping the Figma stage was a good idea. So when I completed the first UI design from my side, I uploaded that Next.js project on Vercel because it's just easy. You have to write only one single command, Vercel minus prot, and your project is live. So it's easy. And then I shared the hosted link with the POC, and this single decision triggered everything that followed. So when I got on call with my client POC and this person X, he was kind of insulting in a way. How do I put it? Like he wanted to establish authority over me, by being kind of rude. And then he made the worst claim of being their IT guy. Their IT guy. I mean, if you were really their in-house developer or their in-house IT guy, I wouldn't have been required at all. And even if I was required, you would have been the POC from the client's side, but you are not. So I felt like this claim was just bluff. And then he made another wrong move. He claimed I was making this whole UI using AI. And what? And his point of saying this was not like UI that you have given is so generic that it feels or looks like AI generated, but rather the hosted link that I had given them had .versal.app in it. I was kind of like, you know, surprised at his argument because I gave you a link with .versal in it. It means it is AI generated. Whoa, dude. Do you not know what Vercel is? I mean, yes, they do provide AI assisted tools that help generate code, accelerate development, and deploy web projects. Not the whole damn project, and it didn't stop there. And he did not even know the real domain name for Vercel. It's Vercel.com, and he repeatedly said, "Are you making the whole UI using Vercel.ai? Vercel.ai?" And he maintained that rude and authoritative tone the whole conversation. By now, I had this feeling that this IT guy was some other agency trying to make his way in this project, and then came the moment that completely changed my mood. After his AI yap, he demanded me to show the code, and he demanded the zip file for the code. Bro, zip file code in 2025? No, 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 no. 2025 December. It's 2026 almost. Really? What the hell happened to GitHub? His voice was so old person vibe already, and this made me confirm he is way too old to understand the new development processes, maybe. The overconfident guy who never thought of updating themselves with time, and now they are just insecure because of their outdated skills. And when he demanded this zip file, I knew I did not need to deal with this bullshit at all anymore. So just to get off of the call, I said, "Yeah, sure, I can add you to the GitHub repository as collaborator. You can see the code from there." Look, I'm neither stupid enough to hand over the whole code to someone unknown person, nor insecure enough to show my legitimacy with this much over justification to someone I can say is really not the IT guy. Okay, personally, tell me in the comments, would you believe someone is really a developer if he asks for a zip file of the code and not GitHub repository? I mean, I don't know the exact processes during the pre-Git and GitHub era, but as far as I have learned, there used to be version control systems which are not really focused on collaboration. But Git came in 2005, and GitHub was launched in 2008. It's 2026. You had pretty enough time to learn collaboration, but now you decided to stick to your older ways, and now you are so old you can't even differentiate between AI driven development and self written code. So I just said, yeah, I will add you to the repository on GitHub and disconnected the call. But the story did not end there. After that, I immediately jumped on the call with the POC, and fortunately, he did not pick my call. I'm saying fortunately because I was in that hyper mode after this conversation that I might have ended up being the wrong guy because of my choice of words and looked upon as unprofessional. So good, he did not pick the call, but I did leave the text like complete code transfer is not in the contract. Yeah, I have signed the contract, and man, contract really saves your hands in these kind of situations. And I also added that I was never told about this IT guy of yours. This third person was way insulting as well. This is not the tone to talk, and do call me back when you are available. It was, I guess, around 3:30 p.m. yesterday, uh, and it's what 1 p.m. right now. I haven't got the call from him yet, and after uploading this video, I will be writing down the points that I have to tell him first. Then let's see if he comes over the call. Whatever happens, you will get to see it in the next update as it is. Now, here's the real lesson from all of this. The way it triggered my emotional side, like I had a bit of anger, confusion, you can say, and a bit of self doubt feeling as well. I had to make this video yesterday and upload it, but this emotional mess in my head hampered my YouTube consistency. So, another learning for me from this, I have to learn to channelize, or what would be the correct word, maybe regulate my emotions in a better way, so these things don't have this much effect that I get derailed from my daily routine, and life did not stop there. By the way, I forgot to mention I did cold calling as well yesterday. After all of this happened, we moved on to cold calling from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. We reached out to a mix of uh, we reached out to a mix of prospects from manufacturing, real estate, and clinics, and got nothing. Usually, I do the YouTube update thing after 8, and these both things kind of won me over. And I don't know, it is what it is. But I know I have to work on this now. I guess that's it for today's update. I will be getting back to cold calling again today, and let's see what it holds for us today. I wish to close at least one more client before day 30. Two clients in the first month, and before the new year would be really good. Now, before I end this, I want to know something from you. Have you ever had experiences like these, or have you faced any other problem you would like me to talk about? Do let me know in the comments, or you can write a direct message to me through contact form on my portfolio. That's it for day 24, I guess. If you are if you're following this journey, subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to start a business too or has just begun. And if you're a business owner watching this and you want a clean, modern website that actually represents your brand properly, my portfolio link is in the description. My contact details are there. Let's see if we can build something good together. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, let's keep building.